Uploading photos that aren't perfect squares to Instagram can be super annoying because Instagram usually ends up cutting off the top or the bottom of the photo. When you want to fit the whole photo on your Instagram post, you can't do it within the app itself. What you can do is resize it in a way that when you post it on Instagram, it will allow you to fit the whole photo. So I'm going to show you how to do this using a free online editor that you can use in the browser of your phone or your computer. To start, you're just going to go to our Kapwing video resizer, kapwing.com/tools/resize-video, and I'll put the link in the description below. Basically, this is just a simple tool that allows you to resize content for social media. So you can use a video, a GIF, or an image, anything you want. And all you have to do is upload it or paste a link. So I'm just going to upload a photo that I have that I want to put on Instagram. As you can see, there's a size that's Instagram 1:1. If you click that, it's just going to be kind of the same problem where Instagram will just crop it anyways when you actually upload it. So what you want to do is choose Facebook/Twitter portrait 4:5, and that maximizes the space you're using on Instagram while still being able to upload the whole thing in its full dimensions. You can change the background of the image, so right now there's black borders. You can make them white to fit in more with the Instagram newsfeed, but that's up to you. And all you have to do once you're happy with it is click create. So our image is done loading. As you can see, there are borders around it. To save this image, you can download it and then just upload it to Instagram. To get it from your computer to your phone, you can copy the link, send that link to your phone, and then open the Kapwing app. It's just a really small app that you can get from any app store. All you have to do is just paste the link to your creation and then click continue, and it should open it up and you can just save it to camera roll on your phone. Once you have done that, go to Instagram to upload your content. And as you can see, this is where you resize. So when I click my photo, it still seems cropped, but what you do is pinch and expand the sides. Just like bring your fingers in to show the whole image. And you can see that it's not cropped anymore. Then you just click next. You can make your edits and then just post it. And there you go. So that's how to resize any photo for Instagram. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a like. Let us know what other videos you want us to make about content creation so we can help you guys. This is Grace from Kapwing, and we'll see you in the next video.